What's up, YouTube? This your girl Gabby. So today's lesson is going to be on a 8-inch wig, full ear to ear, and it's going to look awesome. And watch me how I slay this. I have a baby shower to go to tomorrow, and of course I need to look cute. So you guys tune in and keep watching so I can show y'all how I'm gonna slay this wig.
All right, ladies, so I am using this bleach and a 30 developer.
So here is she. This is her. This is her. She's 8 inches. So she's very short. Really short bob. And like I said, she's a ear to ear. She's very, very beautiful. Oh my gosh, can you all imagine what I'm about to do to this? Oh wow. Alright, cool.
So what you need to do now is just take the bleach and you need to dab it on that lace so that the bleach is saturating that lace so evenly that it's kind of like coming through the lace and getting on the roots of the hair, so that the roots of the hair on the lace is tinting, is bleaching and lightening up to give you that natural scalp effect. You got me? All right.
Okay, you guys, so now I sectioned off the actual part that I am going to be bleaching. Just that part. It's gonna look really nice. And I bleached the knots. As you can see, you got that little orangey undertone, which gives me scalp, because once I'm done, I'm putting makeup in it as well. But that scalp effect is good. Awesome. All right. Okay. about these baby hairs, but I sat here and just played with it for a little bit, cut it to that cute stack bob in the back. Oh my god. Oh my god. With that cute stack bob. Bomb. Ew. Okay, but yeah. And then of course, you know, I bleached the front. It came out really, really cute. I love it. It came out really, really cute. Don't worry about my skin, guys. I am on a journey trying to clear my skin, so it's gonna happen when it happens, okay? There's something you cannot control. It's natural. You can't control it. So, but bitch, look at this. Look at that bob in the back. I can't with this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh. You guys gonna come with me today to get my girl pet either a fish or a turtle. A fish or a turtle. We don't know. Let's go see. See ya.